Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can apply for Medicaid in New York, and this is actually very simple. Head over to Google and we're going to search for Medicaid in New York, just like that, and then you'll see all of these will come up. Now choose one based off, let's say you want this one, so we're going to click on it and let it load. And as you can see that you may apply through NY state, this one. So if you click on this one, then the website will load up where you have to follow the process. Unfortunately, I'm not in New York right now, so I can't load this one, but you can see you could also call the Medicaid helpline, which is 800-541-2831. You could call this number, and then you also see there are a bunch of other ones like this one, Medicaid planning lawyers, and you can see that you can call on this number to discuss. So just head over to Google, search for it, and then choose according to your needs, and there you go. This is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.